Hello everyone! In this video, we're diving into the Magento 2 Marketplace Payment Method Restriction extension, where you can assign payment options by seller or product and streamline your checkout like never before. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. First, go to the admin panel and log in. After that, navigate to Stores, Configuration. Inside, you'll find the Webkul Marketplace Product Payment Restriction module. Click on it. After clicking, you'll see two sections, General Settings and Product Information. First, open General Settings. In General Settings, the first option is Enable. Here, the admin can enable or disable the module by selecting Yes or No. The second option is Allow Restrictions according to parent product. The admin can select Yes or No. If Yes is selected, the payment methods from the parent product will be applied. Next, there's Allow Payment Method for Seller. Here, the admin can select different types of payment methods to allow for sellers. I'm selecting all of them for this example. After that, go to Payment Information to Product Information. The first option is Version, where the module details are displayed, such as version, author, user guide, store actions, ticket, and customization services. Once all settings are configured, click Save Config to save the module settings. After saving, the configuration will be successfully applied. Now go to Marketplace Management. Here, you'll see the Marketplace Product Payment Restriction module. You can also open the configuration settings directly by clicking Configuration Settings. Next, go to Marketplace Management, Manage Sellers, and then click on Sellers. Select a seller and click on Payment Method Restriction. In the Allowed Payment Methods section, the admin can allow different types of payment methods for a specific seller. There are three options for payment type: Allow All, Allow Specific, and Use Default Config. If Allow All is selected, all payment methods will be available for the seller's products. If Allow Specific is selected, the admin can choose specific payment methods for that seller. If Use Default Config is selected, the seller will use the default payment method set in the configuration. After choosing the desired option, click Save Customer to save the changes. Once saved, the allowed payment methods are successfully applied for the seller. Next, go to Catalog, Products, then select a product. Here, you'll see the Allow Payment Type and Allow Payment Methods options. The admin can grant specific payment methods for a particular product. If All Only Selected is chosen, all payment methods for this product are visible and available. If Allow Specific is selected, the admin can choose specific payment methods that will be available for the product. After selecting the payment methods, click Save to save the configuration. Once saved successfully, the product will only allow the selected payment methods, for example, bank transfer and cash on delivery. Now let's check it on the front end. Go to the front end, select the product, click Add to Cart, and then proceed to checkout. Fill in the shipping details, then click Next. Here, you can see that the available payment methods for this product are bank transfer and cash on delivery, which were selected from the admin end. If we select Check Money Order, three payment methods will appear on the front end. After saving and refreshing the page, you'll see that the three payment methods are now visible for this product. Now, let's look at the seller end. Click New Product, and then click Continue. Scroll down, and you'll see the Allowed Payment Type section. There are two options: Allow All and Allow Specific. The seller can select payment methods for each product individually. If the seller selects Allow All available payment methods will be visible for that product. If the seller selects Allow Specific, they must choose which payment methods will be available for that specific product. For example, as shown here, these payment methods are selected for a product. I've already created a product, so I'll show you how it looks. Go to My Product List and click Edit on any product. For this product, the available payment methods are Cash on Delivery and Check Money Order, which I previously selected. After making any changes, click Save Config. Now, for this specific product, duffel bag, the available payment methods are only check money order and cash on delivery. The other two, bank transfer and PayPal billing agreement, are not available for this product. Now let's check it on the front end. Go to the front end, and you'll see that for the product duffel bag, only check money order and cash on delivery are available, while the other two payment methods are restricted. That's all about the Marketplace Product Payment Restriction module. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.